Hello folks, Chris Varley with the Trade Ideas Support and Education team here. We're continuing our Getting Started series. We're going to look at single stock windows in this video here. So get right to it. We'll move up to the menu bar. We'll select New, and we'll get the drop down menu and look for that single stock window. It's got the little S there on the left side. You'll open it. It'll have some defaults in there. It should look something in the ballpark of this, of course. Across the top, we'll see a number of tabs here: details, news, profile, and competitors. We can change the details on here, and these are all going to be different filters that live within the software. It has a very similar feel to a top list here in the configure. If we go ahead and right click and we select that configure option, we'll come to the search tab here. We can search out any filter that we want to add the details to. There are some limitations with the size on the window, right? So you can't add every filter possible to it. We ask that you use some common sense in being reasonable, and when you're adding these, the amount that can be added to it versus the size of the window and the data that can come through. We can go ahead and use the search terms if there's something specific that we want to search for. For example, if there was some kind of SMA that we wanted to add to this here, we would type SMA. We'd be returned all the different items we have. You go ahead and select the one that you were looking for and then press Show Column. That'll bring you to the Columns tab here. On the left side is the selected columns. The right tab is a bank of columns that are either popular or that you have recently used yourself here. And so if we wanted to move something from the selected side and get rid of it, we'd click on it and move it with the left arrow to the right side here. In the column order, we could take any of the columns that we're now displaying and we can move them up or down with the arrows here, or left to right with the arrows over here, just like that. There will be some limitations, once again, based on sizing here. And some of the columns may not want to be in the same row with each other based on those sizes. So just keep this in mind that while you can customize it based on the space and the size of the data that's coming through, there are some limitations with that are there. Let's move on to the news tab here. It says Google powered API here. So that's where the news scrub is coming from. It's not exactly a breaking news feature, but it does have the day's general news. And if something is significant enough, then it's made it to the wire, you're going to find it here as well. Under the profile, we're going to see the sector, subsector, and so on and so forth as far as the stock goes. And we get a summary of it, where the company was founded, what they do, where it may be anchored now, those kinds of items that are in here. And then in the competitors, it's taking a scrub of the web, and it's looking for stocks that are similar to this, whether it is in the same sector, subsector, or the same manufacturing type of stock or item. Within this here, we can go ahead and right click and find a few other items that we want to see within here. We can duplicate some font sizing changing that we can make, saving and sharing. This is also a docked window in itself with a single stock window. So if I wanted to rearrange this in any way, where maybe I wanted to see the news displayed to the side, I could take the tab and grab it, and you'll see a tool here for where I'm going to place it. We're going to place it so they're side by side. We get a look that looks like that. We can go ahead and do the same thing here with this and get a look like that. Again, we ask, be reasonable what you're trying to do with this here. We can size it bigger and smaller, so on and so forth, and we can customize it in many ways with those different items that are in there. If you have more questions on this, please send us an email, info@trade-ideas.com. Join us in our free live traders room or in our 12 p.m. Eastern support sessions live on YouTube. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in another video. Take care.